What is up guys, Reggie here, back again with another video. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Today I have the iPhone 10 and Tudia was nice enough to send me their new Tudia Glost case. I think it's one of the more glossy ones on the back, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out and see what's inside. Alright guys, so like I said, Tudia was nice enough to send me this new glossed case for the iPhone 10. I'm super excited because Tudia makes some really good stuff. I use basically all of their cases on all my phones. Definitely love the TAM line and the Merge line. Very cool cases, go ahead and check them out. Before I start off, there is a giveaway going on. Tudia is giving away, I think, 5 of these glossed cases. So go ahead and check the link in the description below. If you have an iPhone 10 and you want to win a Tudia Glost case, go ahead and check that out. Very cool. So let's just go ahead and pop this puppy open. Let's not even mess around here. Here's the box. Oh, out of here. There's a reading here if you want to check that out. I don't know. Maybe. Ceramic feel, clicky button, anti-slip, raised edge, shock gap. Alright, so there's that, and we have the white iPhone 10. This is definitely the coolest color, I think. So since we already have the white iPhone 10, I went ahead and asked for the metallic slate. This is like the kind of darker gray one. So it comes in, I think, black, pure white, metallic slate, and rose gold for all you rose gold fans out there. I'm a rose gold fan. So let's go ahead and just pop this puppy in here. Boom. Okay, cool. So right off the bat, it fits super nice and snug. I like these side edges right there. And then you can see that the iPhone logo right there on the back. Here is your camera sensor and the cutout there, and there is quite a bit of lip action, so your camera lens is going to be okay. You can see the lip action on the front. Buttons are nice and clicky. Everything fits on real nicely. Let's go ahead and try to, you can get into your mute toggle real easily. Wow, what a nice case. I like that you can rep your Apple logo on the back, front and center. Let everybody know who you're repping. This is a nice case. Got a good feel. So the back is a glossy back. So it's a glossy back, but it has some grip to it. So you know, your phone isn't just gonna like, you're not gonna just drop it. So that's a good thing. Look at how much they pay attention to detail right there. So they have these like little raised edges at all the 4 corners. Since you do have a glossy back, you don't want it to be like scraping against the surface, which is nice. Here's your lip action, so on the back, everything is cool. This is a really nice case and I'm definitely digging it. It's got a good look, nice feel, good grip. Cutouts on the bottom for the microphone, all there. Everything is nice, tight. I'm digging this for sure. I mean, I like this case. It's a good one. It's definitely a good one. Alright guys, so that's it for me. If you guys want to check out this case, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below. Be sure, if you have an iPhone 10, go ahead and enter the giveaway. Really cool that Tudia is giving away some of these new gloss cases. Definitely liking the feel. It's like a premium feel, and I definitely like the attention to detail where they raise the edges on the back. That's very cool too. Alright guys, that's it for me. This is Reggie, and I'm signing out. Thanks for tuning into the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.